Hello, the distinguished delegates, participants, and organizers of this great international conference on future of money, governance, and law, as rightly said, like the Davos of DC. I am thankful to Professor Gerard, Professor Pulain, Kathy, and Evans for accepting my request to play a short video which I am sharing with you, raising some of the important issues. Friends, you all are very lucky and fortunate to be part of this great event, but I am not that fortunate, as due to medical exigencies I am not traveling to Washington. Therefore, Gerard and his team has been very kind to accept my request and to record this video and share this with you. I hope the conference proceedings are very enriching and rewarding for all of us, and I look forward to learn and know about the detailed conference proceedings. Here in this short video, I am raising just two important issues. One is about the cryptocurrencies and its adoption, acceptance, recognition in India. As we all know, the blockchain revolution, in the words of Scott, has gained the momentum. And the first child of blockchain technology, that is Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, is being used and sometimes misused by the global community. The world is divided whether to recognize the cryptocurrencies and to frame proper regulatory framework, or to discard this whole new lot of digital currency known as cryptocurrencies. Friends, back home in my country, India, is still confused. Confused in the sense that we have not been able to properly frame the regulations, and as per the current scenario, the latest information, the matter of Bitcoin ban or the cryptocurrency ban has been challenged by few crypto exchanges like WazirX and many more in the Supreme Court of India, and the highest court is now hearing the case on day-to-day basis, and as per the latest report, the matter is being actively heard, and the Reserve Bank of India, the central bank of the country, has submitted its views, stating that though they have not banned the cryptocurrencies, but they do not approve the trading in any type of cryptocurrencies, as they find it hazardous and likely to be misused. Friends, I just want to share my view, and I am happy to share that this view has been put forth before the Supreme Court of India, that the word currency as used for cryptocurrency is causing a main problem, because as per the Constitution of India, Article 246, Union List, Entry 36, gives exclusive sovereign power to the Government of India and the Parliament of India to regulate currency, coins, foreign exchanges, and so on. So the government stand is that we cannot allow a private currency, we cannot allow any individual or group of individuals to create, run, trade in cryptocurrencies. Further, a committee created by the Government of India has recently submitted a draft bill, a proposed law to put blanket ban on cryptocurrencies and further to punish the people who propose to deal with cryptocurrencies with an stringent fine and imprisonment for 10 years. Now, in this current scenario, the blockchain development in India is also suffering because for effective application of blockchain technology in various areas, we need to have some cryptocurrency transactions validated, maybe in the form of tokens or other issues. Therefore, in my submission, where the world is divided, major countries are accepting or framing the regulatory policies, and some countries, one like India, are against adoption of cryptocurrencies. My one suggestion is that let the word currency be not used. Better if we call crypto assets. Let us deal or let us recognize cryptos as assets or derivatives or goods, so that the government contention that our sovereign power is being challenged doesn't stand. The second thing is, let us consider how we can create a global policy framework. I know G20 nations have come together to frame certain policies. The World Bank, the International Monetary Fund, and other countries together have come forward to frame a regulatory framework which may be adopted by several countries. I am of the opinion that let there be a global convention, one like WTO or one like TRIPS, which is governing the domain of intellectual property, wherein we can deal with the whole issue of blockchain adoption, smart contracts, cryptocurrencies, or I would say crypto assets, and let us frame a strong regulatory framework to address all the concerns, all the issues about possible misuse, abuse, or acceptance or recognition of the crypto assets world over. The second point which I quickly want to address is this national security. As I have been put into the panel, which will be moderated by my friend Professor Pule, regarding the national security issues. Yes, the national security or the international security is a big issue when we deal with the issue of cryptocurrencies, because the way in which they are transacted without any central authority or P2P transactions, there have been the real issues like ransomware, the use of Silk Route, where these currencies have been used for illegal objectives like drug trafficking and many other hackings and many other issues. So that is a real problem, and that would affect the national security of each and every country. The country like India, which is one of the largest democracy, the concern of India is not ill-founded, it's a well-founded. So we have to work, the technology experts all over the world, I think who they are assembled here, they will work out how we can address the security issues. Another issue related with the security is the data privacy, because the data used in all these modern technologies like blockchain, AI, fintech is tremendous, and there is a possibility of data abuse which would affect the individual liberty, individual freedom. So we need to have a strong data privacy law, one on the line of the US Millennium Law or European Directive. India has proposed a bill on data protection, but still it is in infancy stage and it is being debated. I am sure this conference has provided a wonderful opportunity of discussion, of sharing the views, counter views, to evolve a consensus on the future of money, on the use of blockchain, creation of a strong blockchain architecture, and the governance of blockchain industry and blockchain economy as a whole. I am really thankful to all of you for listening to me. I would love to have your opinion, your views that can be shared on my mail ID, which is available with the GBA, or I may be contacted via our website. Thank you very much. All the best to all of you.